It's really hard to find free AI video generation tools these days, as AI video models are improving day by day. But at the same time, they're getting more expensive and more difficult to access for free. Today, though, I have a list of free AI video tools that you can use without any limitations. So let's jump right into the video. The number one tool on our list is Meta AI, and this is probably the best free option out there. Here you can see we have two different options. We can create images, and at the same time, we can create videos. So click on the Create Video section, and from here, you can give it any prompt, or you can even upload an image from your device. As we give it a simple prompt, it will start generating the video. And here are the results. In my opinion, these are pretty decent outputs. The video is short, but the motion is really good. You'll also notice we have the option to restyle any video. There's a robotic style, a couple of other styles, and if I click on the Browse feature, this is the complete list of styles you can use to restyle your videos. You can even add music to your videos. So that's what you're getting for free. Next up, we have Qwen AI. This is the website interface. You just need to sign in, and to use this tool, click on Try Qwen Studio, and you'll have this interface in front of you. This one is using the Qwen 3.7 model, if you're wondering. If I click on this plus icon, you'll see we have the option to create images and also videos. If I click on the video section, from here you can select the aspect ratio. Again, you have the option to upload images from your own device. You can use it for image to video, and you can also use it for text to video. The video generation is a bit slow here, but the results are really, really good, considering this tool is free. The videos also come with sound. So these are a couple more videos you're watching on your screen, and all of them have been generated using Qwen 3.7. And honestly, they're all really good for a free tool. Next up, we have Video. Both of these use similar underlying models, but they're different tools. The previous one was Qwen AI, and this is Video. Click on Try Now to get started. The current model is 2.1, and it's really good with video. You can also switch between models here. Only 720p is available for free, and you can change the duration, but in the free tier, you only get 5 seconds. You can also generate videos using credits, which will be faster than the free generation option. On a daily basis, you get 10 credits, but you have to claim them. They don't add directly to your account. You also have the option to use the first frame and last frame feature, which is a really good feature considering this is free, and you can upload your own audio as well. You can also generate images and even avatars. I used credits to save time, but if you're using the free option, you'll need to be patient since it takes a while to generate videos. The upside is that this tool is unlimited, so you can enjoy unlimited video generations. Next up, we have LMArena, and this is everybody's favorite because when it comes to free models, this AI tool really takes the lead. To use it, we're going to click on the video section. Unfortunately, there's no option to switch between models. You just give it a prompt, and it randomly starts generating a video. I'm not entirely sure which model this is using on the back end, since it runs a side-by-side comparison of two different models. It did fail a couple of times when I tried it. Let's try image to video instead. So if I play this is a pretty decent output, not bad at all. There's audio in this one too, and the motion is really good. Not the most impressive, but definitely not bad. You'll also notice an LMArena watermark at the end, but it's not distracting, and you can still use the whole video. And now, for our last surprise, we have ByteDance. This is the Byte Plus platform, officially from ByteDance. From this drop-down menu, you can switch between models. Seedance 2.0 isn't available for free here, but you can still use Seedance 1.5 Pro, Seedance 1, Seedance 1 Pro, and a couple of other models for free. If I click on one of them, like text to video, and scroll down, you'll see we have 2 million free credits on a single account. Let's generate a video here. The impressive thing about this one is that you can generate videos in 1080p quality, though you're limited to 4 seconds of video. Here's the result from this model, and I think it's really impressive considering it's free. Obviously, you can't expect Seedance 2.0 level results, but if you're working on a budget of 0, I think these results are amazing. So that was our list of free AI video generation tools. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.